Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am having a look at day 7 of the 2024 Diamond Painting Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. So we are now on day 7. So we'll see how this one goes. I'm not expecting a lot. I think that actually is the best so far. So behind door number 7 we have a premium diamond painting pen. And I think I can actually take this one out. So we'll put it to the side, we'll move the box. So day number 7, and we have a twist-on premium pen from Diamond Art Club. So it has Christmas graphics or festive graphics on the box, and it says included twist-on stainless steel tip. So we'll open this up and have a look at this pen. I have no idea what the official colour is. I didn't think to look on the box. Does it say? No. So we'll have a look. Ooh, that is very shiny. So this is a twist-on premium pen. Put the other light on maybe. You can see it is very, very sparkly. It's better with the light off. So it comes with a stainless steel tip. So this is a screw-on tip. So we'll unscrew. Quite a long thread. So this is not the refillable tip. This is a screw-on tip, but it works like the standard diamond painting pen tips. But it is an upgrade because it's stainless steel. It will not break, it will not wear down. So it will last a very, very long time. So I like that it's got a deep thread, so it'll be very secure. It won't start to wobble or anything like that. And in the end we have just a hole. It is not threaded. It doesn't look like it's threaded, so I'm just going to try something. So I've got a standard multiplacer, and that fits in the end of the pen. So it doesn't come with the pen, but you can put a multiplacer in the end. So I'll take that back out again and just have another look at the pen. Now if we compare this to a typical diamond painting pen, you can see it is much, much thicker. So if you are using a pen like this and you're having problems because it is so thin, something like this could be good. And it also has a waist, so it is more comfortable. It's got weight to it, it's not extremely heavy. It feels comfortable. I don't see any issues with it at all. Both ends feel the same. But yeah, very, very sparkly. Definitely suitable for Christmas. And the big bonus is you get the stainless steel tip. So as I said, very, very unlikely that this is going to get damaged because it's steel. Unlike this tip where we have a very thin brass tip. that will eventually start to crack and wear. This will last a lot longer. So that's it. Nice short video. So that was day number 7. So day 7 was a twist on premium diamond painting pen. I have to make a correction to the video though. I thought the opposite end was unthreaded, and I thought it was for push fit multiplacers. I actually tried it. I took the tip out and put it in the opposite end and found out it is threaded. I think it was just difficult to see because of all the sparkle and glitter inside the pen. So the opposite end is actually a screw fit or a twist fit. So if you're looking to get a multiplacer for this pen, you should look for a twist fit multiplacer, which would obviously be the stainless steel one to match the pen tip. Really nice upgrade from the standard diamond painting pens. Stainless steel tip won't wear out. And the other thing to mention is this is not the refillable tip. So just in case you think that this is the refillable tip that they use in the new standard pens, it isn't. You would use this with pink wax or putty or glue dots or whatever you use, but it does not feed putty to the tip of the pen. I think for a lot of people that isn't an issue because they really prefer to use what they're used to and just use the single place, and they just use the wax. So a lot of people still prefer that. This pen would just be an upgrade to the actual pen and the tip. So really nice pen, nicely made. They are hand turned, so yes, very high quality pen. So that was day 7. So the next video coming up will be day 8. So please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button if you want to catch that. And it will be appearing very soon. So thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.